Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide an order on Amazon by archiving it. First, open a web browser and go to amazon.com. You cannot hide an order using the Amazon app, so make sure you are on a browser. If you're on a smartphone, open a web browser app, type amazon.com, and request the desktop site. On iPhone, tap the three-dot icon in the bottom right corner and select Request Desktop Site. On Android, tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner and select Desktop Site. Log in to your Amazon account. Click Accounts and List next to Returns and Orders if you're not already signed in. Enter your username and password, then click Sign In. Go to Returns and Orders. This is located in the top right corner of the browser window next to the shopping cart icon. Find the order you want to hide. Scroll through your orders from the past 3 months. To view older orders, use the past 3 months drop down and select a different time range. Click Archive Order. You'll see this link just below the picture of the item. Confirm the archiving. Click Archive Order in the pop-up window. Archiving removes the order from your default order history view but does not delete it. You can still access archive orders via accounts and lists and archive orders. And that's it. That's how you hide an order on Amazon by archiving it. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.